I needed to find a new supplier, and I needed one fast. I had a bunch of inventory, and I needed to figure out what I was going to do to make things right. That's when I did what most other people do who want to find new products. I go on Alibaba. So I went on Alibaba, I searched for a new supplier, and a sourcing agent by the name of Kia, yes, Kia like the car brand, messaged me back. This sourcing agent was new to the industry. She was an independent auditor of different factories in China. She was from the Shanghai area. She spoke amazing English. Little did I know that Kia would play such a pivotal role in making this huge product come to market. Now, I was afraid. I was worried. I did not know what to expect because I had been burned by my previous supplier. I had no idea what I was going to do. Kia met with me personally on Zoom, over the phone, and via message. We discussed all of the issues I had with my prior supplier, and we drew a new leash up. She got her engineers to start working on a new prototype that would be our own. Based on our drawings and our initial design concept, she connected me with the correct engineers to do so. Once we found the correct engineers, everything else was seamless. In a matter of no time, Kia found a supplier that we would be able to work with. And just like that, we were back into the swing of things, and I couldn't be happier. The difference with Kia is she told me the truth about many companies in China. She told me about a lot of the operating practices, a lot of the ways that the Chinese suppliers and other sourcing agents would lie and create false narratives in order to sell their goods in their product. A lot of the times, the sourcing agents and suppliers didn't even own the factory, nor did they work in a factory. They basically drop shipped a product and played the middleman, which at the end of the day is a terrible thing, especially for a business owner. Going through a sourcing agent like Alibaba is one of the reasons why you try to cut out the middleman. You don't want to pay those extra costs. You don't want to pay a lot of those extra import fees. In going directly to the supplier, you can avoid a lot of those issues. So through her, I connected with SR Metal. SR Metal is a Chinese company that has branches right here in the USA. They even have a branch here in Michigan. So any payments that I do through them can go directly to their Michigan branch, therefore excluding all international fees since they have a Michigan branch. Not only was that super beneficial, but one of their key spokespeople lives in Cleveland, Ohio. One of their main engineers met me in person to discuss my product, what I was looking for, and how they could make it happen. That alone made me feel secure, made me trust them in instilling and creating my product. For the first time in my journey, I felt like I had a real partner, not just a supplier, not just an engineer. A group that would work with me to make animals safer and pet owners happier forever. And I know this was the huge pivotal moment in the product's success. As I spoke with Alan, the representative from SR Metal, and his counterpart, Terry, from the Chinese branch, I really understood what we could do with this product. They gave me guarantees, they had me sign specific contracts, and they showed me a long track record of all their previous clients and parts that they had designed, manufactured, and made. I was able to see the vast amount of people that they have worked with and their successes. Not only that, but they even invited me to come visit their manufacturing factory and give me a tour, which was super cool. And I'll show you some of that footage in a later video. But now that I have a supplier, I have a good sourcing agent, good group of engineers, what's next? It sounds like that's the end, right? Well, that's not completely true. Just because I have a good group surrounding me doesn't mean we have a functioning product yet. And that would be the next problem. Tweaking our current product until it is perfect for public release. And with that, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of things that I did not anticipate. And because I have good engineers, that is why they are here to help me fix it. The next big step in this product creation journey is to finalize the product mold, finalize the pieces, and make sure this thing works exactly how I want it to. I can't wait to show you what we've come up with.